Discover Science friends! Have you ever been on a boat? How about a big boat? How about a really big boat, like a cruise ship? Yes, but have you ever thought, a small boat can float, but such a big boat, how can it stay afloat on the water? It's so big and so heavy. Today, let's find out. Discover Science. Today's materials: a spring scale, a handle, a container, a cup, nuts, and water. Okay, we're going to figure out why heavy boats can still float on top of water. First, I want to show you this scale. Okay, this is called a spring scale. Why? Because there's a spring here. Watch. Can you see the spring? Wow, it's getting longer, and when I let go, it gets shorter. So if I have something really heavy here, it will pull it down. On the spring scale, we can see the numbers. There's a scale, 0 to 30. Now, I have our bucket here, and I already put it together, but put the handles right at the sides, and there's little buttons that you can put it into like this. We will take the bucket and hang it on the spring scale. Okay, we also have a cup here. I'm going to fill it with some water. Okay, not too much. And here, look, we have some nuts. I have 3. They're actually kind of heavy, okay? Let's see what happens when I put it in the cup. Right now it's at 0. Oh, it went to 5. 1 nut moves the spring scale down to 5. Okay, how about one more? 10! Another one? What do you think will happen? 5, 10. Ooh! Oh, now it's at 11, 12. Okay? Oh, I see. So it's heavy. What happens if I put the bucket in the water? Watch. Look, the spring scale. Okay, watch again. Out of the water, in the water, the spring scale's going up. Oh, wait a minute. Almost at 0. No, really? Wow. All right, watch carefully and do it slowly and observe where the spring scale is. Boing, boing, boing. Think why. Boing, it's bouncing on the water. That word that's very similar to bounce is buoyancy. Buoyancy. Buoyancy is something that stays on top of the water, like bouncing on top of water, right? So water pushes things upward, like the spring scale. Oh, it's going up, right? With a force called buoyancy. Again, buoyancy, and then it gets heavy outside of water. This is why heavy objects like this, when we put it in the water, it feels so much lighter. And also, when you go swimming in the water, your body feels lighter too. It's the same thing. Think more. Buoyancy and surface area. Now, a wide wooden board with a rock may weigh the same, but the board floats and the rock sinks. The board floats because its wide surface gets more support from the water.